It's simple time, and this is Chef Tatong, and today we are making a sinfully delicious seafood recipe for you. Kaya, are you ready? Let's start cooking! This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. So we're making a dish that is not only so simple but so sinful as well. Kaya gagawin natin ngayon, nakikita nyo naman sa harap ko, alimango. So gagawa tayo ng killer alimango sa alige kasi alam mo na, natatakot ang maraming tao sa alige kasi it's very rich. But it's also very flavorful. Kaya, hinay-hinay lang, pero dilutuin na natin siya ngayon. So, very important, we have mud crabs. Piliin mo yung medyo matataba, no? And you have to clean it thoroughly, no? So, we cleaned it already. We brushed, no? Yung mga inner cavities and all that. So, yan. So, pwede kang pumili ng crab mo na very fresh. So, when we bought it, buhay pa siya galing sa market. And magigisa lang tayo. Todo na natin to ating flavor. So, meron tayong butter. Yan, 4 tablespoons of butter. And gigisa natin yung ating garlic. Yan. Onions. And ginger. Very important na yung ginger natin. So, yung gagawin nating sistema dito, gagawa muna tayo ng sobrang sarap na sauce. Then, we just add the crabs. No? And let it cook in the sauce and let everything come together. Ito, masarap to with kanin, guys. And I will just saute my crab fat, alige. Yan. Walang sasayangin. Etong alige sa mainit na kanin, masarap na nga. Ano pa kaya itong ginigisa-gisa natin, di ba? Yan, look at that. Very nice orange color. Then we add our seasoning, our other condiments. We have dato puti oyster sauce. Ito, sobrang linamnam. Dagdag linamnam sa already malinamnam natin na recipe. Sugar, no? 4 tablespoons of sugar. And vinegar. So, gagamit tayo ng dato puti vinegar. Ito pang balance o pang tanggal umay, no? A little bit of vinegar, around 2 tablespoons. Sinasabi ko, killer alimango. Killer sa sarap talaga to. Killer sa kanin kasi mapapakanin talaga kayo dito. And we add our gata. May gata pa. Aside from all this fat, more fat from the gata. Don't do this every day, of course, di ba? Let that simmer. Yan. So, di ba ang sauce natin, na-assemble na natin? Sobrang simple, sobrang easy. And what we do now, we add our crabs. So, the crabs will cook in the sauce, and the crabs will also add flavor to the sauce. Imagine that. So, itong ating crabs dito, mga 1.2 kilos to. Yan. Yan. Konti lang to, kahit konti lang yung crabs mo, pero because of the sauce, very flavorful. Parang sulit na sulit yung inyong pagkain, no? Yan. Want to cover my wok. Yan, I'll add chilies. Halo ko yung dalawang buo. But I will chop the other 2 kasi masarap siya pag spicy. And also, even if you add a lot of chilies, hindi siya ganun ka harmful, no? Hindi siya masyadong masakit. The fat in our food will counter the spiciness. So, we taste the spiciness, then madali din siyang mawala. Yan. Add our chilies. Yan. Yan. For chili heads out there, damihan mo yung sili mo. Very nice color. And we just wait for our crabs to cook. Yan. Cover natin yan. So, in like 7 to 10 minutes, maluluto na yung ating crab today. Just check on our crabs. Yan. Slowly, it's turning orange. I will just season with salt, of course. And pepper. Yan, I'm using cracked black pepper. Babaliktarin ko yung aking crabs. Yan. Look, it's already orange, so malapit na siya maluto. I promise you guys, you should try this at least once, no? You can also use blue crabs, no? Yung alimasag for this. Dapat slow simmer para, you know, all the flavors really come together very nicely. Yan, luto na yung ating crabs. Konting-konti na lang to. Let it simmer. And let the juices of the crab, no, drip into the sauce para, wow. Look at that. Ang ganda, ang pretty ng ating alimango, of course. Yan, our sauce is very rich, very thick. Wow, it's really sinful, no? Kaya kinatawag natin itong killer alimango. Kaya mag-ingat tayo dito. We're ready to plate. Yan, beautiful alimango. Hating kapatid lang. Huwag mong ubusin yung buong dish sa'yo. Wow, look at that, ha? Ako, kahit sauce lang, happy na ako dito. Kasi some people don't like to peel the crabs, no? Yan, of course, there. And we garnish with fresh cilantro. Yan. Fresh cilantro. And here it is. Sobrang simple, but sobrang sinful. Killer alimango sa aligay kasi if you're not careful, well, delikado. Pero once in a while, live life and enjoy it and cook because kahit sino kaya magluto basta simple.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.